everyone. How are you? It's Miss Marianne, Mrs. D, Mrs. Dewis, friend Marianne. I'm back again to read another story from Pete the Cat series, and this book is called Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. Well, 4, the number 4. Well, there might be a little bit of math in this. I have this feeling. There are all the buttons we're looking here. There's the title, Pete the Cat and his 4 Groovy Buttons. There he is. All right. Pete the Cat put on his very favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. 4. He loved his buttons so much that he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Whoops, whoop, 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 pop. Oh no, one of the 4 buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons did he have left? 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 take away 1 equals 3, however you wish to say it. Well, now he has 1, 2, 3 buttons. But did Pete cry? Goodness, no. In fact, he's even saying groovy right there. Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. And guess what? He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Whoops, up, pop. Oh no. How many buttons are left? 2. I think so. That's 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Oh, pop, woo! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Oh my goodness, 1 button. That's a 1. That's the word 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. But did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Up, pop, whoop. Oh no, the last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? I think it's 0. 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button. And he kept on singing his song. Wow. My button. I still have my belly button. My button. Still have my belly button. It's all good, he says. It's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We just keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.